Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn simple calligraphy using pencil. First of all, you have to practice these strokes. Up, lighter stroke, down, darker stroke. Now let us try to write something. Up, lighter stroke, down, darker stroke. Up, lighter, down, darker. So you just need to practice a bit, it's very easy. Darker, then lighter. Now I am trying to write my channel's name, M Hassan Arts. For a better result, you should write in between two parallel lines. Those who don't know my name, this is my name, Murtaza. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.